Hello, everyone. Quick question before we start today. Ready?
Ooh, I love questions.
Here it is. When someone asks you, what do you do for fun? Do you freeze? Do you panic? Do you say, I don't know, nothing?
Oh no, that's the worst answer.
I know, it happened to me once. Someone asked, what are your hobbies? And my mind went completely blank.
Blank, like a computer crash.
Exactly. And you know what? This happens to so many English learners.
It does. Even if you have hobbies, you can't remember the English words.
Right. So today we're fixing that problem forever.
Forever. Big promise.
We're going to teach you how to talk about your hobbies and interests in English, so you'll never freeze again.
Never freeze again. I love it.
Oh, and welcome to LearnFlow English. I'm Mia from Australia,
And I'm Alex from the UK.
and we're here to make learning English easy and fun.
Through friendly conversations, just like this one.
Exactly. Now, before we dive into hobbies, we have a small favor to ask.
Yes, if you're enjoying LearnFlow English, please take 1 second to subscribe.
Just click that subscribe button. It helps us reach more learners like you.
And hit the like button too. It really makes a difference.
And if you know someone who's learning English, share this episode with them.
Perfect. Okay, Alex, tell me honestly, when was the last time someone asked you about your hobbies? Last week, actually. I met someone at a cafe and they said, "So, what do you do in your free time?"
And what did you say?
I said, "I love reading books and playing guitar."
See? Easy. But here's the thing, everyone. Alex is a native speaker, so it's natural for him.
That's true, but for learners, it can be really difficult.
Really difficult. So let's break it down. First, let's learn the question.
The question, the most common question.
When people want to know about your hobbies, they usually ask, what do you do for fun?
What do you do for fun? Super common.
Or they might ask, what are your hobbies?
What are your hobbies? Also very common.
Or, what do you do in your free time?
What do you do in your free time? All three questions mean the same thing.
Exactly the same. They want to know, what activities do you enjoy?
What makes you happy? What do you like doing?
Perfect. Now, let's learn how to answer.
The answer. This is the important part.
The easiest way to answer is, I like or I love.
I like reading. I love cooking. Simple.
So simple. You can also say, I enjoy.
I enjoy playing sports. I enjoy watching movies.
Or you can say, I'm into.
I'm into photography. I'm into music. This is more casual.
More casual, more natural. Native speakers use I'm into all the time.
All the time. So, Mia, what are your hobbies? Tell our listeners.
My hobbies? Well, I love yoga. I do yoga almost every morning.
Yoga. That's great for health.
It is. I also love hiking. Australia has beautiful nature, so I go hiking on weekends.
Hiking, walking in nature. I love that too.
And I enjoy cooking. I love trying new recipes.
Cooking, me too. I love cooking Italian food especially.
Italian food, delicious. See everyone? We just talked about hobbies naturally.
Naturally, no stress, no panic.
Now, let's learn some common hobbies. These are activities that many people enjoy.
Common hobbies. Let's start with indoor activities.
Indoor activities, things you do inside your home.
First, we have reading.
Reading, books, magazines, newspapers.
I love reading mystery novels.
Mystery novels, crime stories. Next, we have watching movies.
Watching movies or watching TV shows.
I enjoy watching documentaries.
Documentaries, educational films. Now, cooking.
Cooking, preparing food.
I'm into cooking Asian cuisine.
Asian cuisine, Chinese, Thai, Japanese food. Next, we have playing video games.
Playing video games, very popular hobby.
I love playing adventure games.
Adventure games. Now, listening to music.
Listening to music, everyone's hobby.
I enjoy listening to classical music.
Classical music, beautiful. And one more indoor hobby, painting.
Painting or drawing.
I'm into painting landscapes.
Landscapes, nature scenes. Okay, now, outdoor activities.
outdoor activities, things you do outside.
First, we have sports.
Sports, many types.
I love playing football. That's soccer in America.
Soccer, or I enjoy playing tennis.
Tennis. Now, running.
Running or jogging.
I go running every morning.
Every morning, healthy. Next, swimming.
Swimming in a pool in the ocean.
I love swimming at the beach.
At the beach. Now, cycling.
Cycling, riding a bicycle.
I enjoy cycling in the park.
In the park. And hiking, which I mentioned.
Hiking, walking in mountains or nature. I'm into hiking and camping.
Camping, sleeping in a tent outdoors.
Outdoors. Now, one more category, creative hobbies.
Creative hobbies, artistic activities.
Photography.
Photography, taking pictures.
I love photography. I take pictures of nature.
Nature, playing a musical instrument.
Playing guitar, piano, drums.
I'm learning to play the guitar.
Learning, practice, and writing.
Writing, stories, poems, blogs.
I enjoy writing short stories.
Short stories. Now, here's an important tip.
Important tip, listen carefully.
When you talk about hobbies, you can add details.
Details, this makes the conversation more interesting.
For example, don't just say, I like reading.
Say, I like reading science fiction books.
Science fiction, specific. Or don't just say, I enjoy sports.
Say, I enjoy playing basketball with my friends every weekend.
Every weekend with my friends. Much better.
Much better. People can ask more questions.
More questions. The conversation continues.
Exactly. Okay, now let's practice. I'll ask you, Alex.
Ask me, Alex, what do you do in your free time?
I love reading. I'm really into fantasy novels like Harry Potter and Lord of the Rings.
Oh, fantasy novels. I love those too. Do you have a favorite?
Yes, I think Lord of the Rings is incredible. I've read it 5 times.
5 times. Wow. See, everyone? Alex added details, and now we're having a real conversation.
A real conversation, not just one-word answers.
Not just one-word answers. Your turn to ask me.
Okay, Mia, what are your hobbies?
I'm really into yoga. I've been practicing for 3 years, and I love how relaxed it makes me feel.
3 years, that's dedication. What style of yoga do you do?
I do hatha yoga. It's gentle and perfect for beginners.
Hatha yoga. See? Details make it interesting.
So interesting. Now let's do some role plays.
Role plays. Let's practice real conversations.
Real conversations. Scenario 1, meeting someone new at a party.
At a party. Okay, I'll start.
Ready.
Hi, I'm Alex. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Alex. I'm Mia. Nice to meet you too.
So, Mia, what do you do for fun?
I love hiking. I try to go every weekend when the weather is nice.
Hiking. That's great. Where do you usually go?
There's a beautiful mountain near my house. The view from the top is amazing.
That sounds incredible. I should try it.
You should. Do you have any hobbies?
Yeah, I'm really into playing guitar. I've been learning for about 2 years.
2 years? Can you play any songs?
I can play some Beatles songs. Yesterday is my favorite.
Beatles. Classic. We should jam sometime.
Perfect. See how natural that was?
So natural. Okay, scenario 2, at a coffee shop.
Coffee shop. You start this time.
Okay. Hey, mind if I sit here? The place is pretty crowded.
Oh, not at all. Go ahead.
Thanks. I'm Mia, by the way.
Alex, nice to meet you. Are you from around here?
Yeah, I live nearby. I come here to read sometimes.
To read, what do you like reading?
I'm into mystery novels. I love trying to solve the case before the ending.
Mystery novels. That sounds fun. I'm more of a science fiction person myself.
Science fiction? Like what?
I just finished a book about time travel. It was mind-blowing.
Time travel. I love that concept. What's it called?
It's called The Time Machine by H.G. Wells. Classic.
Oh, I've heard of that. I should read it.
You should. It's amazing.
Excellent. See how hobbies create connections?
Create connections. People bond over shared interests.
Exactly. One more role play. Scenario 3, talking to a colleague at work.
At work, professional but friendly.
Professional but friendly. You start.
Okay. Hey, Sarah, how was your weekend?
It was great, thanks. I went to a pottery class.
Pottery class, that's interesting. Is that a new hobby?
Yeah, I just started last month. It's really relaxing.
Relaxing, I bet. What have you made so far?
I made a bowl and a small vase. They're not perfect, but I'm proud of them.
That's awesome. I'd love to try that someday.
You should. What do you do in your free time?
I've been getting into photography lately. I take pictures of the city at night.
Night photography? That sounds beautiful.
It is. The lights and shadows create amazing effects.
I'd love to see your photos sometime.
I'll bring my camera next week.
Perfect. See, hobbies make work friendships better.
Better friendships. Now let's talk about common mistakes.
Common mistakes. Important.
Mistake number 1. People say, my hobby is play guitar.
No, don't say play, say playing.
My hobby is playing guitar. Gerund form.
Gerund, ing ending, very important.
Mistake number 2. People say, I like to cooking.
No, don't say to cooking, say cooking or to cook.
I like cooking or I like to cook. Both correct.
Both correct, but don't mix them.
Don't mix. Mistake number 3. People forget to add details.
Forgetting details. Don't just say, I like sports.
Say, I like playing basketball. Specific.
Specific is better. Mistake number 4. People use wrong prepositions.
Wrong prepositions. Don't say, I'm interested in music.
No, say, I'm interested in music or I'm into music.
Interested in. Into, not interesting.
Not interesting. Interesting is for describing things, not yourself.
Describing things. The book is interesting, but I'm interested.
Perfect. Now let's learn some useful phrases.
Useful phrases to extend the conversation.
When someone tells you their hobby, you can say, that sounds fun.
That sounds fun. Or that's interesting.
That's interesting. Or, how long have you been doing that?
How long have you been doing that? Good question.
Good question. Or, what got you into that?
What got you into that? This asks about how they started.
How they started. Or, I'd love to try that.
I'd love to try that. Shows interest.
Shows interest. Now, everyone, it's your turn.
Your turn. We have a challenge.
A challenge. In the comments, tell us about your hobbies.
Use the phrases we taught you today.
Write 3 things. 1. What's your favorite hobby? 2. How long have you been doing it? 3. Why do you love it?
3 things. For example, my favorite hobby is painting. I've been painting for 1 year. I love it because it's relaxing.
Perfect example. Don't worry about mistakes.
Don't worry. Mistakes help us learn.
We'll read every comment and reply.
Every comment. We love hearing from you.
Okay, let's do a quick summary.
Quick summary. Today we learned how to talk about hobbies.
We learned the questions, what do you do for fun? What are your hobbies?
We learned how to answer, I like, I love, I'm into.
We learned common hobbies, reading, sports, cooking, music.
Indoor, outdoor, and creative hobbies.
We learned to add details to make conversations interesting.
Details make it real, not just one-word answers.
And we practiced 3 role plays.
3 role plays, meeting new people, coffee shop, and work.
So now you'll never freeze when someone asks you about your hobbies.
Never freeze, you're ready.
You're ready. So that's it for today.
That's it. Thank you so much for listening.
We really appreciate you being here.
Please don't forget to subscribe to LearnFlow English.
And give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this episode.
It helps us so much.
And share this with a friend who's learning English.
Share with a friend. Learning together is better.
Much better. Have a wonderful day, everyone.
Or a wonderful night wherever you are.
And remember, talking about your hobbies is one of the best ways to make friends in English.
The best way. So go out and practice.
Practice. See you in the next episode.
See you next time.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.